Hey everybody. Well, I told you that the exhaust on the Ranger was no good, so I picked up a kit from Rock Auto. It's all Walker catback exhaust. Some real power here. We got our sound effects muffler, right? I don't know how hopefully it doesn't sound like a rice racer, but they give you like the clamps, brackets, the whole 2 pipes, you know, from the start and the finish, and even a gasket, I guess, to go in between the cat and the 1 pipe, I guess. I don't know. So hopefully, I think the only thing that we may end up needing is bolts to bolt it all together. You know, we're gonna look and see if I can get the bolts out. If not, we're cutting them out, and then we're finding out what they are. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in a minute. Easy. All right, everybody. So here's you can see here's the cat's back here and the muffler's right here. So there's a connection right here. Let's spray some piss on that. I don't know if these bolts are gonna come loose or not. You know, we'll let these marinate a little bit. I'm thinking we're just gonna go get new bolts and springs. And I'm pissing it everywhere. Fuck it. Just spray it everywhere. Come over here. Right here. Right there. Okay. Sure. Excellent. Man, this shock looks great, don't it? Yeah, I need new shocks. That's all right. Still feels pretty damn nice. All right, we're gonna let that soak. I'm gonna try and we might have to break out the Big Daddy nut buster. I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So there's supposed to be a nut with a little wing off of it to kind of prevent this from spinning, but yeah, it ain't coming off. It's froze on there. You guys see that? Look at that. Ew. So I think I'm just gonna take my cutter and then we can, I already found we can get the bolt and the spring and the nut piece from Advanced Auto here in town. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start by cutting this off. I was thinking I might need to get a reciprocating saw, a Sawzall, and you know, that's what I usually use to cut exhaust bolts. But I might try my little grinder first and see what happens. We will bring you back when I figure something out. Come on. Shit. Come on, bro. I'm almost through. Get ready for that bolt to launch, too. Is it even doing anything? Yeah, I guess it is. I mean, I'm almost through, I guess. Jesus fucking Christ. I need a hammer. Hang on. Woo! I told you that thing was going to shoot off.
You were correct.
All right. So now, this is going to be the fun part. All right, guys. Well, we're 50% done. I got this one knocked out. That one, not so much. I want to go get a Sawzall battery powered, and we need to charge my batteries for the little cutoff wheel. But you can see we got it loose. The exhaust is all loose. We just got to get that guy out of the hole. because since it's a shoulder, it can't go that way and it can't come that way, so you got to cut on the back part of it. So we'll be back after I get some more tools. All right, guys, so we had to make a trip to Advanced Auto and the Hazard Fraught. We got some recip saw blades. I got some 24 teeth per inch, some 18 teeth per inch. I got a free moving blanket. Ooh, hey, you never know. Handy, I thought. We'll throw it in the truck. And I got some cut-off discs. It's fighting me a little bit. Oh, and we had to go to Advanced Auto for the... where's those bolts? Here they are. It's 36 Walker, 36129. The only thing we didn't get were the washers. But hopefully this is long enough. We might have to go get some washers and stack them up behind the head here. We'll have to measure the length of the shoulder on this guy and see that it matches up to ours. Otherwise, I'm close. I just need to get the other hunk out of the other side of the flange and we can hook this all up. See you guys. After much fighting, we got them both off. We're going to clear off this. We need like a screwdriver or something. There's some nasty gasket shit here. And then there's just one. It's on a hanger somewhere. Oh, I see it. It's up there. Can you guys see it? Nice. So we got to look up there. Oh, I bet you that's where that bolt thing goes. It goes in the middle. Aha! I got it. And then there should be one down over there somewhere. All right, let me figure this out. We'll get this thing out of here and we'll bring it back. All right, guys, so I got it loose off the hanger in the back. Now we're just going to use the new Sawzall and cut the muffler off, hopefully. Deleted. All right, so now we can pull out that back half and then I can wrestle the hanger off of the muffler itself. We'll be right back. Oh man, I got it. Oh, look at this. Look at this turd. So that's where it was attached to the hanger, and you can see where it was blown out. Look, the whole end. Look at that. See that? Wow. Yeah, she toast. All right, and we got our whole deal here. Let's. Oh God. All right. Done. So we need, I got the other piece up there. And got our gasket. Oh, I need a screwdriver. So I can scrape off the last of that gasket crap. We broke out all the tools. There's like a gasketish scraper.
I can get my 100-euro screwdriver out.
I don't know if we'll need that. We might need it. The power of our ancestors. Let me see. Let me try this. All right, guys. So this, you can see there's this piece here that goes around the muffler, and it goes up. That's what I was trying to show you. Is these two brackets? See, there's a rubber isolator there, and one there. I put some Panther piss in here, and I slid the one that's closer to the passenger side in first. And then I slid the outer one away into this one. And now we'll just get the muffler and slide it in here. And then we can start. I got a muffler clamp on here already, right here. And then we can slide the tailpipe in. So let me do that. Hang on. Oh, this is so much fun, Billy. I know.
Fix it up nice.
Ooh. Come on. There we go.
Sweet.
Sweet. I swear I've almost cut myself 7 times now. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's almost like it was meant to go together. As a kid. Ah, what am I caught on? I just ripped my shirt. Oh, it's my rust. Oh no, really, I lost a piece of the truck.
Oh no.
We'd mail this out to somebody if they want it.
I'll cherish it.
Yeah. How's that? Oh, so, okay. I'm trying to turn the tailpipe to, there we go. It's something like that. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, we are almost done. I just need a, shit, I don't know what size this is. I need something. I don't know. 17 mil? Something like that. I was just tightening up the muffler clampy bracket thingy. I don't know what you call this. Everything's a thingy.
Muffler clamp?
Sure.
The muffler hanger.
Muffler hanger, yeah. Am I doing anything? Yeah. Are you even doing anything?
At some point it's gotta close up, right?
Yeah, it is. And that bolt's long. That's what she said. How many elbow pops until it's tight? Do you know?
One less than will blow out the elbow.
Oh, okay. Well, I feel like I'm getting close. There's one elbow pop. Oh God. I think I'm gonna. Ah, fuck. Oh, there's the other elbow pop. Okay. I am excited to hear nothing.
Yeah, and we're racing the sun too.
Yeah. Oh my God, guys. That's always fun crawling underneath there. Whoa, jeez. All right, so let's hop in and start this thing up and see what... Oh, you know what? I got to tighten up the spring clamps on the other side. Let's do that. I just remembered. And that was a what, a 19? I think?
You got me.
Yeah, I think so. Where's the big wrench? Here. It's this guy. All right.
Okay, I'm just gonna film from up here.
Yeah, you do that.
Yeah, I don't think I can get back down there again.
No. Wow, when everything works, it works.
The only thing that would make it better would be warmer weather and a lift.
Yeah. And some fucking margaritas. That's later.
I need the fake ones.
Yeah. The faux margaritas.
Yeah, fun with a twist of lime.
Ah, one elbow pop. Ah, there we go. All right. Now I'm fucking done.
All right.
All right. Ah. What a hell of an ordeal. Jesus.
All right. You gonna jump in and start it?
Yeah. You could show everybody our delicious exhaust. I think you already showed them.
Oh yeah. Delightful.
Delightful. All right, let's see what this sounds like.
You get over here.
Oh, and I fixed the I fixed the heat shield on the catalytic converter with a pair of vice grips. Derek would be proud.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Okay, can I get out?
Like Dr. Nick says, it's whisper quiet.
It's whisper quiet. Let me rev it up. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Sounds like a normal Ranger now. Man, listen to that. No squeaking, no nothing. Nice.
Very nice.
All right, guys. Well, I'm beat. It's fucking beer 30. We're going to see you on the next one, all right? Easy.